last speaker of our last session, and we have a corporate leader with a remarkable track record, Ms. Mariam Nissar from Jazz. With over 16 years in multinational leadership roles, she brings unmatched expertise in strategy and partnership. Please welcome Ms. Mariam Nissar on stage.
Welcome everyone. I hope the interest levels are still high. Are they? Great. So I personally do not believe in a lot of presentations because it gets boring. क्योंकि अच्छी बातें तो बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोग करते हैं, but I think it's very important to connect the why and how. So the why part I would say would be more important for me. So whatever I'm going to discuss or talk about, I would love to hear from you as well. That what do you think about that? अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा आपको बता दूं. Although I am here in my personal capacity, but I'm basically an engineer turned a commercial resource since a few years. So my experience has been with FMCGs and telecommunications companies. ज़्यादातर मेरा जो experience है वो sales का है, but also in the recent past I have been a part of marketing as well. So hence the topic of discussion here. दो चीज़ें हैं इसमें. One is marketing and the other is digital. The role of digital in marketing, which is now a need than something that we once wished that we should have. So just to start off with, I'll be talking about driving Pakistan's digital growth through marketing. Marketing now, I believe. Okay, so basically, I'll be very, very briefly. Saima की तो presentation में देख रही थी. It was like थोड़ा सा मुझे inferiority complex हो रहा था that it is so elaborated and detailed. However, since I said, I think it's more important that we communicate. That would be something I would be interested in. So to talk about that, why do we think now that digital in this time and age where digital has almost taken over? When we talk about digital channels, there was a time when we used to talk about the normal retail channels, whether it's order taking. तो हमारा एक बंदा जो है किसी भी organization में, that guy used to go and take orders. वो एक पर्ची system था जो कि अभी भी unfortunately है. But if you talk about now we talk about e-commerce, we talk about online shopping, we talk about different applications that we now have that was once a dream. So in the last 5 years, I believe we have actually make a huge mark in digital. So all our, shopping customer journeys have shifted to online a lot more than what it used to be. And I think the credit goes to Gen Z as well. हम ज़रा थोड़े से पुराने हो गए हैं और हमसे जो पुराने लोग हैं ज़ाहिर है वो हम ज़रा differently सोचते हैं. But now when I see the kids, when I see people, even students, so when I see them talking about digital and the journeys that they have now, the way they are studying, the way the whole life has evolved, whether you talk about social media platforms or you talk about opportunities, it is more digital than the other way around. So what I'm going to discuss is that how marketing fuels growth. थोड़ा सा marketing पे बात कर लेते हैं. Since I mentioned, मैंने आपको इसलिए बताया about my own experience in sales and now in marketing, I believe that marketing is no more advertising at all. There was a time when we used to talk about ads, there were campaigns, and customer को जो reach out हम करते थे, that was more about connection with normal channels जो पहले होते थे. But now the idea of storytelling, the idea of connecting with your customers, and the idea of creating why. अब जब हम बात करते हैं brands की तो we talk about the how part, the reason why a brand exists is very important. This is something I learned in Unilever, where we talked about brand with purpose. So what is brand with purpose? So if I say I'm going to sell a beverage, I'm not going to say कि मैं एक कोक की बोतल अगर बेचना चाहती हूँ तो obviously people would generally think it's not good for health and so on and so forth. But now, just to give you one example, now if I connect my brand with a particular occasion, मैं आपको सिर्फ एक random example दे रही हूँ कोक की बोतल की. So what comes to your mind अगर ईद का त्यौहार है तो आप कह रहे हैं कि जी अच्छा I need to have this bottle of coke along with the food. When you talk about बसंत, अब तो खैर बसंत होती नहीं है, but there was a time, so when celebrations come to your mind, you think of coke. That is one example. Similarly, अगर मैंने सर्फ एक्सेल, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑल्सो वर्क फॉर दैट ब्रांड, तो अगर मैं सर्फ एक्सेल की बात करती हूँ तो मैं ये कहूँ कि जी मैंने सर्फ बेचना है, डिटर्जेंट बेचना है, तो आप सोचेंगे कि अच्छा ठीक है, बट देन वो आपने सुना होगा दाग तो अच्छे होते हैं वाला एक कॉन्सेप्ट. सो दैट वॉज एन इमोशनल कनेक्ट विद द कंज्यूमर. So when I connect emotionally, or when I connect a cause to the brand, makes it a brand. So that is what we need to learn. Obviously, the marketeers in this room, वो इस बात को बहुत समझते होंगे, but those people who are not a part of marketing, उनके लिए, उनको समझाने के लिए, I'm just explaining it in a little more detail. Apart from that, जैसे I said कि enablers marketing के क्या हैं, उस पर थोड़ी सी बात I would like to have. How would you think of the marketing strategy done right? So, as I said, I talk about connection, I talked about purpose, the how part, and now a little more about how do you build digital literacy, or how do you ensure that your marketing journey for whatever brand you're working for, whatever cause you're working for, how is it important to integrate digital into your strategy? So उसमें of course there are a few elements that I would like to talk about. थोड़ा सा उस पर to start off with हम बात कर लेते हैं Pakistan as a country. Why is this country important? Obviously we talk a lot about negatives, about what is not going right in the country. But think about this population. Whenever you want to attract investors, the most important thing that you want to talk about is still it is a land of opportunities. At least this is what I think. This huge population with the majority of youth in the country, it is the potential mostly untapped, but this is where we want to start. This is where we want to change the fate of this country, and that is where I would also like to talk about. फिर आप internet penetration की बात करते हैं, since I talked about a little bit about telecommunications as well. So now, without naming any organization, I can tell you for sure that more than 90% of our country has 4G coverage. उसमें हम अभी कवरेज की बात नहीं करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली देयर आर, वो तरह काफ़ी डिटेल में बात हो जाएगी, बट अगर मैं आपको वैसे एक लेमैन टर्म में बताऊं तो इवन फॉर माई ओन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वी नाउ हैव 100% 4G sites in the country. What is it means is that irrespective of wherever you go, you will at least have access to, if you have a smartphone, you will have access to the internet. That is one of the key enablers when you talk about digital literacy. Moving forward, आप ये देखें कि हमारे इस वक्त more than 190 million subscribers are already on the internet. They are using 3G or 4G. So now because 3G थोड़ा सा obsolete हो चुका है, so we talk about 4G. When I say 4G, that is the potential and that is the opportunity that even a person, man or a woman sitting at home, we can always leverage. And you know, हम SMEs की बात करते हैं, हम startups की बात करते हैं, हम बहुत ही basic level business start करने की बात करते हैं. That is where you can enable yourself, where you say that sitting at home, a woman who doesn't know much, of course is educated to a basic level, but can make use of this facility. And by the way, let me tell you, even today when I talk about internet, Pakistan is one of the cheapest countries that provide 4G services, if you compare it with the world. अगर आप कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, those people who travel can relate to that, कि अगर आप बाहर जाके एक सिम खरीदते हैं तो आपको पाकिस्तानी कम से कम 20-25 हज़ार की पड़ती है for a week or so. So if you compare, even now when I talk about our country, I can tell you for sure that हमारा जो एक average customer है, and by the way मैं ये quote officially नहीं कर रही, unofficially I'm telling you, an average customer in Pakistan is still paying less than $2 per month. So you can imagine the kind of revenue any company XYZ without naming anyone. जो profit है ना वो काफ़ी नीचे है, because still this country is providing almost free access to internet, which is something that for me is the opportunity. And anyone and everyone can leverage that. अब देखेंगे हमारे ऊपर है. I'm just trying to explain it in very simple words so that everyone understands. अब ये हमारे ऊपर है कि हमने इतने सस्ते इंटरनेट से टिकटॉक देखना है या हमने कोई काम करना है. You know, so we always criticize, we say कि जब से मोबाइल फोन्स आए हैं तो ज़िंदगी लोगों की काफ़ी ख़राब हो गई है. I think it's more of our choice. Then, you know, we cannot really discredit the facilities that we have. It's on us whether we want to use it for education, to build up our life as a whole, or to be a professional, or to take advantage and maybe, you know, open our own SME or whatsoever. So life is now very easy. You have access to a lot of international best use cases that was once a dream. Moving on, I talked about potential and the challenge. अच्छा, challenges ही बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, but I would rather focus on potentials more to start off with. We'll discuss the challenges later on as well. Okay, so basically, marketing, as I said earlier, is no more about ads. It is no more about selling a product. It is no more transactional. Also, we have to understand that the customer now is way smarter than what he or she used to be. अगर आप आज कोई गलत बात किसी चैनल से के थ्रू अपने ब्रांड को प्रमोट करने के लिए कर देंगे, पीपल अंडरस्टैंड. आपने देखा होगा काफ़ी दफ़ा काफ़ी ब्रांड्स को इंटरनेशनली एंड नेशनली दे हैव फेस्ड बैकलैशेस और द रॉन्ग मैसेज और द वे देयर मैसेजेस हैव बीन कम्युनिकेटेड. सो वी एज मार्केटर्स, we as people who want to tap into digital, we need to be more sensitive to what is right and what is wrong than what it used to be. अगर आप आज को पुराना ऐड देखते हैं ना और पुरानी कोई चीज़ निकाल के आपको कभी मेमोरीज में नज़र आ जाए, तो you see that and you see a clear difference between the communication that we now have. It is more responsible and it is more to inclusive as opposed to what it used to be in the past. So we as marketers, we as people who are trying to build a digital country, अगर आप बात करते हैं तो हमारी गवर्नमेंट के हवाले से भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें उस पर इनिशिएटिव्स लिए जा रहे हैं. बट टू सम इट अप, आई थिंक नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल मार्केटिंग देन व्हाट इट यूज्ड टू बी अर्लियर. अच्छा, इस पे अब एज आई सेड अर्लियर, इट्स नॉट नो मोर अबाउट सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट्स, बट आई थिंक education, empowerment, and then building the whole ecosystem is what is the need of the hour. I'll explain it a little bit. देखिए, पहले तो टेक्नोलॉजी की हमने बात की. I talked about enablement, then the right kind of platforms for people. So the platform that would work for me might not work for a woman living in a rural area, far-flung area where the basics are also not met. So any person, when I talk about a strategy in Pakistan, I should also include people who are not like me. Generally हम करते क्या हैं, especially people coming from big MNCs, multinationals, उनको ये बात समझ नहीं आती आमतौर पे. So हम क्या करते हैं कि हम strategy बनाते हैं एक बड़े AC वाले रूम में ज़बरदस्त किस्म के ऑफिस में बैठ के thinking that everyone is like us. That's not the case, right? अगर अभी आप बात करें ना highest internet usage की in Pakistan, it's not KLI. जनरली वी वुड से कि कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद के जो लोग हैं वो ज़्यादा इंटरनेट यूज़ करते होंगे. टू योर सरप्राइज एंड टू माई सरप्राइज, आपका जो साउथ पंजाब है उसके कुछ एरियाज़ आर द हाईएस्ट इंटरनेट यूजेज एरियाज़ इन द कंट्री. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर आप बिजनेस हब्स की बात करते हैं, सो मारिया यहाँ बैठी हुई है. मारिया अभी आप सामने तो मुझे नज़र आ गया, बिकॉज यू वर्क फॉर एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा पता होगा कि जो बिजनेसेस हैं हमारे, सो यू सी सियालकोट, फैसलाबाद एंड मुल्तान में ऑब्वियसली कुछ जगहों पे बिजनेसेस हमारे, जिस तरह फर्नीचर की बात कर लें या आप टेक्सटाइल की बात कर लें या क्या. सो वी एज responsible big multinationals, when we make strategies, so we do not look at KLI only. We talk about all those regions that are more important to us business wise. Even when I was in Coke, Gujranwala was the second highest region in the country in terms of selling beverages. So what it tells you, and what I'm trying to tell is that you cannot make a strategy thinking that urban areas are, customers are more tech savvy or they spend more, but when you go deep down the data, and for us, let's just say there are companies, I come from a company where data is huge, our customer base is huge. Although मैं ज़्यादा detail में नहीं जाऊँगी, but everything and anything, whether it's marketing, whether it's when we talk about digital, whether we talk about customer insights, data is the key. Whatever decision you make, you cannot really go with your gut feel anymore. You cannot just say कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि people who look modern and educated, they can be my potential customers. Anyone and everyone जो मेरे शायद mind में नहीं होगा, but when I look at the data can tell me the right or wrong. Data can tell me what should be the right strategy for a particular brand. So times have changed. We now have bigger teams in data analytics than what it used to be in the past. When you talk about marketing has shifted altogether. So my marketing spend now would be less on billboards, for example, and would be more on digital. When we talk about e-commerce, we talk about engaging customers on social media platforms. My spend would be more even on influencer marketing. हम performance की बात करते हैं, so those people who understand marketing can also understand कि हमारी जो performance based marketing है, it is also now a major part of marketing. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. पहले हम सिर्फ वो जो है वो 8 बजे वाला टाइम बाय करते थे, and we used to pay to the channels for for running a particular ad. That's not the case anymore. So the more we try to, change ourselves with the changing time, the more successful a particular brand is going to be. Also, services के ऊपर adoption is still a big challenge, by the way. Even मैंने भी काफ़ी बात की है digital की, but to tell you that still we are facing a huge challenge when it comes to the mindset change. Still there are people, and I'm excluding Gen Z from this particular comment that I'm going to make, still are people like me, somewhat, and people who are senior to me are very, very reluctant when it comes to shifting the whole focus on digital. I was at a bank a few days ago, and there was a guy, must be in mid-50s. He came to the bank and he said कि जी मेरे account में कोई मसला आ रहा है. So the manager, I was in the manager's room, so he asked कि सर आप अपनी online banking क्यों नहीं इस्तेमाल करते? तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं भाई मेरा तो trust नहीं है, मेरे पैसे वहाँ से कोई निकाल लेगा, मैं तो कभी ये trust नहीं कर सकता. And I'm sure he was a rich guy. So what I'm telling you is that अभी भी हमारा जो shift है ना, एक हमारी तसल्ली जो है ना, वो तसल्ली अभी भी चेकबुक से होती है बहुत से लोगों की. Maybe we don't understand. Maybe मैं जब बात करूँ तो आप सोचेंगे कि नहीं ये तो शायद ऐसे ही आपका ख्याल है. But I think that ऐसा है. People are not really having their trust on digital or online platforms the way the newer generation, is making use of all these online/digital platforms. So that also needs to be built. अच्छा उसके बाद अब आप आ जाते हैं. I'll skip this. Now, what do we think? What should we be doing? What is the solution? A bit of it. I'll just try to stay brief on this. सबसे पहले तो देखें आपके affordability is, no matter what we say, I talked about affordable internet, but I should also say that all our online platforms, /applications, whatsoever, needs to be affordable enough for a common man to make use of it. Because as I said earlier, I cannot make a strategy based on what my lifestyle is. I cannot make a strategy based on what I think, because I come from a different background. Anyone in this room might, obviously, it's not going to be the same. So when I only think about myself, and any strategy XYZ is not inclusive, it is not going to give the results that I probably as a marketer or a brand manager or a brand director or a strategist might think of. So that again remains something to be considered. अच्छा जी, उसके बाद I talked about strategy. I also talked about storytelling. Again, very, very important when you talk about brands. And then skills development. So the good part is that a lot of communities, a lot of companies are taking part in building a community/building skills for men and women to make them digital literate. Digital literacy is something that I think in order to give empowerment to the society as a whole, particularly women, I think this is something very, very crucial. And unless we believe in that, I don't think that we're going to make any change that we intend to. I'll give you an example. Examples are बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, and now when I say this, I can give you plenty of local examples. That was never the case in the past. So when people talk about Pakistan being a doomed country, and whenever they say, for me, this is something that everyone should listen to, because this is something very close to my heart, and I think we should always, as Pakistanis, emphasize on this more. There are some great examples in the last 3 to 5 years in our country. When I say this, I can tell you on your fingertips the success stories we have. Have you guys heard about Shant Foods? Have you heard about National Foods? Have you heard about Lama? Have you heard about, when whoever has been to the Dolmen Mall would see that now we have a lot of local stores than what we used to have in the past. Our friend Saima is sitting here. Saima has also, mashallah, opened up a local chain, and when I say local, I say it proudly, that someone had this courage to come into business and do things that was once a dream. So it gives me immense pleasure. I'm wearing this local brand called Kiji. And let me tell you, I have, whenever I go abroad, I buy things from there. And now when I compare, आपको बड़ा clearly बता सकती हूँ कि 19-20 का फर्क है, if not more. So why would I spend 70 to 80,000 for a shirt if I can get the same, more or less the same quality here in Pakistan, and proudly so, why not? So when people say कि जी पाकिस्तान से कंपनीज जा रही हैं, मल्टीनेशनल्स जा रही हैं, ये हो रहा है, पाकिस्तान के कोई हालात नहीं है, and a lot of people now have made a record of moving out of the country, well, their choice, but I am very hopeful. I am still very positive, and as I said, talked about data. I have data to prove that now. आप देखें, systems has bought BAT GBS has been bought by Systems. Systems is a local company, Pakistan. अब मैं बहुत डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगी because there must be people who know more than me. But from the looks of it, what it seems like, अभी एक दो नाम और भी आपको नजर आएंगे अगले एक महीने में, where Pakistani companies are buying multinational chains in Pakistan. No matter how you see it, but I see it as a sign of hope. I see it that Pakistani businessmen are making money. That is why they are somewhat able to buy a company. Nobody could have thought कि बैट को किसी दिन, obviously वो GBS की हम बात कर रहे हैं, but to me it's a moment of pride that our own local people are now thinking of buying big brands. That makes me very hopeful. So I'll end my note here. Thank you for listening, and I hope you guys got some hope, because I think that for me is my responsibility to share what seems right to me. And this country is, inshallah, will, I think, go even further. I'm sure that the kind of bright minds I see here, and the need of the hour is that we talk about all the good things happening. Not that I feel that I should talk good about the country, but I think there are some stats that tell us, that compel us to think that why this country is worth investing in, why this country has potential, why we are one of the best people in the world. So I think that's something we need to talk about more than talk about all the bad things happening with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss Mariam. That was fantastic. And मैं आपकी second करूँगी बात को कि yes, we should promote our brand. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो ज़्यादा बेहतर काम कर रहा है. So thank you for your presentation, powerful presentation. And please, may I request तारिक साहब, please pictures बाद में कर लें. Imad Ahmed Sahab, Dr. Shahid, please come on the stage to present the souvenir. Hamad Khalid Sahab, please come on the stage. Ayub Gauri Sahab, please come on the stage. Yes.